So today is Saturday. Jason's been working all day, and I've just been kind of hanging with the kids, making some plans about things. Today was chore day, so the kids did all that, and they've been out in the pool, and we've been over at the neighbors. Our friend Tammy is watching Daddy work and just hanging out, spending time with them, because we love to spend time with Tammy and Tegan. So right now, I am making the kids some chicken noodle soup in the Instapot for dinner, because that is what they wanted, or at least some of them wanted. And I'm going to make a double batch, and we're actually going to give some to Tegan and Tammy, and because their kitchen is torn apart and unusable right now. They don't even have a sink. So we're going to feed them, and then Jason and I are going to go out to dinner. I have a hankering for seafood, and let's be real, we live in Maine, so it's really the best place to get seafood. So gonna get some seafood and I think watch the sunset. And Nora's doing questions for us. She is writing down 10 questions for Jason, 10 questions for me, for us to ask each other when we are out on our date. And so that should be fun. I told her they had to be appropriate. Comical was good. Nothing that could start an argument or a debate. Yeah, and we haven't gone out on date night in a long time. Like, we've gone to Sam's, what, 3 times now? But the last time we had, we had Joseph with us last time. We had the video of that.
And the first time we had us.
The time before that, we went by ourselves for a quick trip. And then the time before that, we had the girls before this corona pandemic. My hair is just wild. I'm gonna have to fix that before we go. But anyway, it's super windy here in Maine today, and it's cold. Yesterday it was pushing 90 degrees, and today I think we hit 61. And with the wind, it feels more like it's in the 50s. So just gonna throw the chicken noodle soup in. While that cooks, I'm gonna finish getting ready and just pick up a little bit. And probably put some warmer shoes on, because flip-flops are not going to be good for a cold evening out. And then we'll be heading out, and we will take you along for some, but not all, because date night, the whole point of it is for him and I to have time without interruption or with children. Not that everyone's children, but it's time for us just to connect away from our home without involvement. So we'll only show you bits and pieces of tonight, but I promise I will get at least some pictures of the sunset. It is beautiful out, so I have a feeling the sunset's going to be absolutely gorgeous tonight. Maybe we'll even go down to the easternmost point in Maine. We'll see.
Where is that?
Lubeck. Yeah. We could go to West Quoddy Head and watch the sunset, or we could just find a place down there. And I don't think we've really eaten other than like one place down there. Maybe. It's been a while, but I think that's what we'll do. So stay tuned, and when I'm done making the soup and everything's ready to rock, I will post pictures of the finished soup. See you soon.